So hi guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel again. So guys, in this video we will see how to install the new AI integrated Visual Studio Code in your Mac and Windows. So guys, currently I am using the window. So first of all guys, you simply go to your Google and simply search the option of Visual Studio Code. Now guys, here you see there is the first link with the Microsoft. Make sure that it is and with Microsoft. So you simply click and install. Okay, so you refresh it once. If the site is not load, then you click the option of Visual Studio Code. After that guys, here you see that it show Visual Studio Code Community Studio Professional Visual Studio Insider. So we are just download this one, the free download. Okay, and after that you simply go and guys, here you see that your Visual Studio is automatically download. And guys, if you are a different OS, so it automatically detect your system and then it give you the selection permissions or selection preferences. Okay, so here it shows how you install, how you develop, and its version control, data extend, GitHub Copilot, lot of these things are in it. Okay, and guys, you also add the external extension in your Visual Studio Code. So it's take around 5.4 MBs. Now guys, here you see it is in my computer. Now simply double click and install it, and your Visual Studio is start. Then click the option of continue, and it will take few seconds.